silver belcher chain. So it's a little bit rough looking. I'm just going to close that up a bit. And use a bit of black marker pen, being silver. Just really want this just joined up like that to start with. And now I'm going to infill it with a bit of silver. It just goes to show that you can be delicate even with fine chain. And when you get confident, you can go to frequency, increase that to whatever you want, maybe 5 or 6, and then fire in the air, and then be a little bit artistic with it like this. Again, just fire in front of the laser wire, like so. Wiggle that off. I tend to grab the chain like that, and then I just work that in. And bearing in mind this was a bit of a mess, this link, I'm shaping it with the laser, like that.